Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow turkey tail mushrooms on logs. First, select fresh hardwood logs, ideally between 6 and 12 inches in diameter. Next, drill holes around the log, spacing them about 4 to 6 inches apart. Then, insert the turkey tail mushroom spawn plugs into each drilled hole. Finally, seal the inoculated holes with a food-grade wax to protect against contamination and drying out. This initial preparation is crucial for successful cultivation. For optimal results, use logs from recently felled trees, ideally within a few weeks of cutting. Hardwood varieties like oak, maple, and birch are excellent choices for turkey tail cultivation. When drilling, aim for holes about 1 inch deep and 5/16 of an inch wide. After drilling, gently tap the spawn plugs fully into each prepared hole. This ensures good contact between the mycelium and the wood, setting the stage for successful colonization. After inoculation, place your logs in a shaded, humid area, ideally off the ground to prevent pest issues. Consistent moisture is key, so water the logs during any dry periods. Mycelium colonization can take anywhere from 6 to 12 months to fully complete. You can expect fruiting bodies to typically appear when ambient temperatures are consistently between 50 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, signaling the start of your harvest. When harvesting, look for turkey tail mushrooms that are firm and display vibrant colors. Use a sharp knife to carefully cut the mushrooms from the log, ensuring you don't damage the mycelium for future growth. Under good conditions, your inoculated logs can continue to produce mushrooms for 3 to 5 years. You can expect multiple flushes of these beneficial mushrooms throughout the growing season, providing a consistent supply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.